How's it going? I'm going to go over how to draw a boyfriend from Friday Night Funkin. It's going to be easy, simple, and for beginners. This lesson, I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker and this paper right here. This is computer paper, just stuff you get right out of the printer. If you still don't have this stuff, go to the link in the description. I put the links on Amazon, or you can get these. That is it. And some other stuff I recommend. So that every time you click on there, I get some little kickback. But you don't have to use it. So let's get started. Oh, also, you can just watch, by the way. You don't have to do this with me. You can just sit down, have a sandwich, and just watch. All right. And don't forget, click the subscribe and click the bell icon if you like drawings in general. I do drawings here every day. I do them 3 times a day. Jump in, say hi, because I reply to every comment, and I mean it. I reply to every comment, and press that. Like I said, all the Google, all the stuff, all the YouTube stuff. All right, let's get into this. Gonna go line here, right there for kind of the bottom of the hair is what I'm doing. Gonna do this almost like a check mark, and that's gonna go right into the eye. Very fascinating design right there. Okay. I'm gonna pull down here up in like a V shape. I'm gonna go over his eyebrow. Down. And we're gonna pull up outward. That V shape. I mean, right off the bat, it's already interesting. But again, you just have to be approximately right with the proportion. You don't have to be like dead on proportion-wise. So I'm gonna fill this in. That's his eye. And I might even make that a little bit longer. Gonna go over here, this eye. Pull down as well. And then I'm gonna fill that in. I've got a lot of requests for this too. I haven't played the game very much. I've just seen demos of it. Looks cool. Or sorry, I misspoke. One out here. Down. Gonna make like a curve shape here for the chin. Well, not yet, actually. Gonna draw a line here. Bottom of his hat. Got that baseball cap. Gonna go about this area, and I'm gonna draw a straight line up, kind of to the top part of that hat. And that line's gonna pull down here, and down here, the back of the hat. We're just doing the head, by the way. I only want to do the head. I'll do the whole body if you ask me to, but right now I'm just doing the head. Curved line over here at the top. Well, not yet. Sorry about that. It keeps changing because of design issues. Gonna pull a line up here for the hair. Down. Up. Curve over here. I might make it a little bit further. Zigzag back. Out. And I'm going to pull it in here for that edge of that face. Over here, I'm going to pull a line up to the top of the cap. It's good idea to measure stuff. So the top of the cap is going to be, if I was to draw a straight line down hypothetically, it would be a little bit behind the front of the face. So you could make it dead on, honestly, as well. I mean, that's just what I see from stuff he you know, in his design. I'm going to curve along the top. Like so. So now we have right here the side of the bottom of the hat, and he's gonna have some hair coming out. Zip right here, up, out, down. It's just like a quick W shape, really. Let's find his ear. Out here. Down. In. Over here. Down. Up. For his ears, the inner ear. Alright, so now let's draw that bottom part of that mouth. So about the eye level, I'm going to start my curve. Curve's going to go out, not further than the hair though. Out, pull back and hit the back of this hair right here. So the idea is going to go out, not further than this. Back. Ready? Out here. Then I'm going to pull back to this right there. He's got a very squatty lower part of his head as well. Extend this a little bit. Gonna go to the back of the ear, and I'm gonna pull a line out here for the back of the hat. Almost looks like something you can like something you can grab onto, almost like an ironing pan or something. I'm gonna start the crook of the smile over here that's kind of peeking behind the hair. I'm gonna have a swoosh shape here, down. I'm gonna pull a line down, and then now I'm gonna connect this back up here. Just kind of pairing the lines. Just got that big old weird chin. And now, since I'm only doing the, well, am I gonna only do the head? Yeah, I'm only doing the head for this one. I thought about doing the whole thing, but I'm gonna create a thicker outline. Around the contour, I always do that. Just to contain the drawing. If you want to see the whole body, I decided I will do a full body version of him later this week. So stick around for that. I don't know if I said that before, but absolutely hit the subscribe and click that bell notification so it'll actually tell you when I post a video. I post videos like roughly about 3 times a day. Even if you post that thing, it's not gonna overwhelm your feed. What it's gonna do is it's going to kind of like tell you every like 3rd or 4th video. But that's it. That is Boyfriend. But from Friday Night Funkin. It's gonna be like I said, it's just his head. I will do one later this week, so come back. My name is Enrique, by the way. Feel free to talk to me in the comments because I talk back to everybody. And I will talk to you later on. I will see you next time, okay? Share the video if you like it, and press like if you do like it. See ya.